only concern is to keep his partner well fed. But what goes in must come out. Nest hygiene is essential. 25 days after laying, the moment has arrived. With more mouths to feed, the male is in overdrive, finding at least 70 insects each day. But after being cooped up for over 2 months, the lack of space and constant quarrelling is getting too much for her. She starts to chisel her way out, testing the hole for size. Freedom. Now the hard work can be shared. Each chick needs 1 insect every 10 minutes. Few birds show such dedication. It's the ultimate expression of trust.